Hello everyone. This video will explain our custom-made setup for flying RC planes. The setup is based around Arduino boards and NRF modules used for communication. Let's start with the control side of things. In the center there is a laptop running our custom-made desktop app. The laptop serves as the graphical interface as well as a hub for connecting all the other components. A controller is connected to the laptop via USB. This can be either a gamepad or a joystick. Another USB slot can be used for an FPV receiver. This component is purely optional. Finally, another USB connection is used for an Arduino board. The Arduino communicates with the laptop app using serial communication. The app passes all necessary data, such as control surfaces angles, throttle, trims or radio communication parameters, to the board and in return receives feedback from the Arduino. The Arduino is additionally powered from a power supply board connected to a AA battery pack. This ensures proper power supply as the USB alone would not be enough. We typically use 6 or 8 AA batteries. Connected to the Arduino is an NRF24L01 module with an external antenna. This module is used for radio communication with the same module on the plane. We use an adapter to transform the 5 volts from the power supply to 3.3 volts required for the NRF module. Finally, let's briefly discuss the app running on the laptop. We keep improving the app and add new features, but the main functions are the following. The app reads input from the controller and passes it forward to the Arduino. The state of the input values is displayed graphically on the screen. It also reads feedback from the Arduino, which can include feedback from the plane as well. You can see values such as plane orientation, altitude and GPS position if the plane is equipped with appropriate sensors. You can also see feed from the FPV camera if the receiver is connected. The app also lets you map controller buttons and axes, save FPV footage to a file, set power level for the radio and others. This covers the control side of our flying setup. Yes, we have to carry all those things to a field every time we go flying. It is not very practical. But, we have the flexibility to design everything as we want, and it is a lot of fun. Let's now move to the plane part. The electronics in the plane is much more conventional. We use a standard combination of a matching RC battery, ESC and a motor. The FPV camera and transmitter are also off the shelf if present. Radio communication is handled with an Arduino and an NRF module, same like on the control side. They are both powered by 5 volts from the ESC. The Arduino receives data from the control and sends appropriate signals to servo motors for control surfaces and to the ESC for throttle. The Arduino code also supports MPU 6050 for measuring orientation, BMP 280 for altitude and Neo 6M for GPS location. If those sensors are present, the data from them is sent back to the control Arduino so they can be displayed in the app. A voltmeter can also be connected and used as a fuel gauge. So there you have it, a brief overview of our RC plane flying setup. You can check our other videos if you don't believe that this actually works. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.